Hey there YouTube, Joe with Joe the Auto Guy YouTube channel here. Today we're going to be doing a cabin air filter check on a 2010 Traverse. This video is sponsored in part by kerosene heat. Because without it, I'd be freezing. Not really, but if you want to donate to my heat bill, please let me know. Thanks. So we're going to be checking the 2010 cabin air filter. Not a bad deal, but it's on the passenger side behind the glove box, and we'll show you exactly how to get to it. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is, make sure your glove box is unlocked. Open the glove box, and you're going to have two little notches in here. Now I'm going to kind of showcase with the camera. You're going to have this turn notch. What we're going to do is we're going to turn counterclockwise. Sometimes they don't want to move. Okay, so what you're going to do, sometimes they're tough, so I use a small plier. So you're just going to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. You can see what kind of, make sure that ear kind of goes down when you go to put it back in. Otherwise you won't have the correct stopper in. There's another one right there. Before we do that, you can see right here that you're going to have to pull the glove box up, or pull this piece up, and it'll slide out. It's the kind of tensioner piece to the glove box, make sure it doesn't just drop. So you do that, it'll be out of the way. Go to the second piece, turn it. Again, if you can't turn it, use the small pliers. Pop that piece out. And if you have that piece removed, the glove box will drop. Okay. And now you can see back here that I do not have a cabin air filter. Okay, and you can actually see, I'm still going to put this video up because I don't have a cabin air filter. If I did, it would be right in here. Up in here, there would be a couple pop tabs to pull out, and there'd be a filter sitting right in here, and I'd slowly pull that back out and clean it out. This one, just solid, doesn't have the cabin air filter option. So, just put it all back together. If you do get to replace the cabin air filter, it's pretty easy. There'll be like two tabs here, and it'll pull out. I'll try to get another video on one that has one. Mine currently doesn't. Okay, so if you're not replacing your cabin air filter, you're done replacing it, which mine currently doesn't need to be because I don't have one. Place your pieces back in. Remember that ear down. Put your pieces back in. Make sure you reposition this guy in there. Make sure that's locked in. And that's it. That's your cabin air filter check.